Oh, well, hello there. So glad to see you back. Welcome to a new episode from the Sound of Perseverance. Now, the question is, where is your smile? Well, let's find out. Well, I have no idea where it is. Oh, there you are. Sometimes you need one of these guys to smile. I found mine. I hope you find yours. To our lesson of today, alright? Come on, let's get real. Practice some pronunciation, and I will talk to you about maybe in another video about the voiced th and the voiceless th. The first instance of pronunciation whenever the th sound is at the beginning of a word. So, for example, words words like thunder. Let me say it one more time. I say it 3 times for each word so you can practice and see how it sounds. Remember how your tongue is going? This is the sound, like this. Your tongue is sticking out a little, not a lot, not too much, not too little, but it must make that movement like this, like that. So thunder is the first word. Thunder, thunder. 13. See how they sound very similar? 13. Thunder. Thumb. Thumb, like thumb. Thumbs up. Or thorn. Thorn. I hope that sounds better. Thought. The word is thought. I have a thought. So this is all, like I said, this is the first instance. We are making we're making 3 categories here. The ones that start at the beginning, the sounds of th that start at the beginning of the word. These are some examples. And then we have the second instance, whenever the th sound is pronounced in the middle of the word. So, for example, toothbrush, toothbrush, pathway, truthful. Another, well, here's a different one, sorry. Another, or either. These two, you will notice, I didn't pronounce it like this, but the th is in the middle. So this is what I was trying to tell you earlier, that there are voiced th and voiceless th sounds. What do I mean by that? That one will sound like this, you will have your tongue almost sticking out, like this, just a little. But the other sound is more like a the. So another. You don't say another. You don't say another. You say another. Okay, so another or either are 2 examples of a voiceless. Sorry, that would be a voiced th. Voiceless is when it sounds like it's very silent because you are pronouncing with the. I mean, you are putting your tongue like that. So the third instance is when the word is pronounced at the end of a word. So, I mean the th sound sounds at the end of a word. So examples would be wealth, 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 like this. North, north. Math, math, like I'm learning math, right? To add subtraction, right? Math, math. Not math or math. Math, math, math. Check how I do it. Then you have youth, like the youth. Someone young is a youth in the noun, right? The youth, cloth. Now, I could come up with examples in sentences, but we are running out of time. But that would be enough for today. I'm so happy you are here. Thank you for being part of this second episode. And I also want to say happy birthday, belated birthday to a person I very much admire. His birthday was yesterday. That's John. So John, happy birthday. This video is my way to remember your friendship and everything you've done up to this day. I just want to say happy birthday. I put so much effort on this video, and I continue making videos like this. because of people like you that I pretty much admire and respect, and I honor every time I think of your work and all the things that inspires me. The moment I think about all you've done all these years. So happy birthday. And that's all. That's all for today. I hope you guys learned something. I will come back with more lessons. The next episode will be a little more elaborate. This one was kind of short, but I did not want to miss the opportunity to make this a weekly episode. So we made it. I'm so happy we made it. Okay, that's all. And I'm smiling. Good. Let's end with a smile. You all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.